Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this is a continuation for our review of the WS8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, one of the most affordable watch ultra clone in the market. As you can see here, the design is pretty okay, similar to the Watch Ultra by Apple. Okay, so we have here the speaker, the button, and we also have the crown button here, another one here, and of course, okay, that flat, okay, beautiful screen display here. Okay, it's a rugged type smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check out the support app for this one. We are already done with the design as well as the menus and features of the WS8 Ultra Smartwatch. So this time we are going to check on and pair it with the support app. So if you have any questions regarding the video, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. We already turned it on. So let's check, okay, the user manual and see whether what is the support app for the wearable. Okay, so it is available in Chinese and English language. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so we have here the QR code. So the QR code, okay, we have here, it is for the RDFit application. Okay, it's available in Google Play and iOS store. So just search RDFit. Okay, if you happen to lose your user manual, let's check if it's available here, the QR code. Okay, so do we have the QR code here? So this is calculator, it's not calendar. Okay, Alipay. Let's check on the menu. Recall, is it only available in the support app or in the user manual? Email weather, breathing guide. Okay, so we have here the QR code. Oh no, not the QR code. Why the other QR code? Maybe that is for the payment or something. Seems like we don't have a QR code here. Story booth about. Okay, so it's not available here in the smartwatch. Okay, this one, it's a different QR code. Maybe it's a business card or something, not sure. I still haven't tried it all here. Okay, so we don't have a key. Okay, so I think this one. No, it's not also the QR code. Okay, where is the QR code for this wearable? Okay, seems like it's not available here. Anyways, let's proceed with our installation of the support app. So let's just search. Okay, let's adjust the screen here. Okay, in Google Play, let's look for the RDFit app. Okay, again, the RDFit app is available in iOS and Android platform. Oops, it's autocorrect. RDFit. Okay, so I guess this is the RDFit app. Nothing else here. Okay, so let's install the app. So it's 39 MB and with over 1 million plus downloads. Okay, tap on install. Okay, it's still pending. Let's wait. So just 38 MB, so this will be fast. We'll be able to install and pair our smartwatch if there are no issues. Okay, hopefully it will have a stable connectivity with the smartwatch. Okay, we are on 80%, 93, and we are done. Okay, so let's just wait. So the download is finished, and we are now on the installation part. Okay, let's open. Again, this is a step-by-step process on how to pair your smartwatch, specifically the WS8 Ultra Smartwatch with the RDFit. So open. Remember, we still haven't activated our Bluetooth as well as the GPS, as you can see here. Okay, so we'll see if the app will automatically activate it. Just agree. Okay, so we have here a permission application. RDFit, normally you need to obtain the following permissions: hover window permissions, SMS, and mobile phones authority. Next, and let's activate. So this one to run over or at the back. Okay, let's wait to run in the background. So let's look for the RDFit here. Just allow it. As you can see, allow display over other apps. Okay, so even if you close it, it will still works and connect to your smartwatch. Okay, so just allow all the permissions here. If you are not comfortable, you can disable the permissions. Then next. Okay, so here is the UI of the RDFit application. So here on the bottom part, we have home page, device, and my. So tap on the device. Okay, so we already have here the watch face market, notifications, find device, and sedentary lifestyle reminder. So let's scan the device. So Bluetooth warning, please turn on Bluetooth. Please turn on Bluetooth. Next. Okay, so it is already activated here. No need to go to the Bluetooth section settings of your smartwatch or your smartphone. So here, location function. So the GPS, go back, and again. So here it is scanning for our smartwatch. So it found at least two smartwatches. We have the IW8 and the WS8. So what we have is the WS8. Okay, but if you have at least two WS8 smartwatches, just go to your settings, tap on the about section. Okay, and you will see here the address. Okay, is it the same? CA8A9A. So if it's the smartwatch, tap on it, and as you can see here, we are now connecting. Okay, so we are connected to our smartwatch. Very easy. So far, no issues at all. We have successfully connected to our WS8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it works. So notification functions, is it already set? Tap on it. Okay, so another permissions. So just look for the RDFit. Okay, allow notification access for RDFit. Just allow it. And go back. Okay, for example, if you want to receive messages from apps, we have it here. Okay, so that's it. We are done with the pairing of our WS8 smartwatch. Let's check out other details here. Okay, going back. So it is running in the background. settings. So measurement unit, we have an option here. Okay, you can change to metric to imperial. Okay, so far no issues with the connectivity with our WS8 Ultra. Okay, to our support app RDFit smartwatch in the Android platform. So as you can see, we have successfully connected it, including the setup of notification feature. So if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.